In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix Tinder app not working. So if you're currently experiencing problems with your Tinder app, then I'm going to show you a quick solution for this. So what you're going to do firstly is to, of course, just close your Tinder app as it's not working. We cannot really do anything on the app itself. So you need to firstly click on settings then. So click on settings and now you should be taken to this page right here as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit and then click on general and here as you can see. So click on general and now you should be taken to this page. Now on this page then what you're going to do is to scroll down a little bit and then click on storage where it says storage for me as you can see, and now it's going to take a couple of seconds for this page here to load, just so you know. And the reason why it's taking that long is because if you're using a lot of memories on your phone, that is why it needs to load everything up in here basically. And now what you're going to do when it's done, we're just going to scroll down and find the Tinder app perfectly. It's right here as you can see. Now click on upload app and click on upload app once again as you can see. Just going to load here and then you're going to click on the blue button here again, because what will happen now is that you will auto update your Tinder app to the latest version and it's going to fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous version basically. So this is the best way that you can actually update your Tinder and fix all the bugs and also fix that your app is not working. So I hope that this issue will now be solved for you.